sleep. I cannot sleep. It's really that done. I cannot sleep. What should I do? Let me go outside to explore. I go so. Oh, a bird! Oh, hey, bird. Is that a flower? Guys, I'm not gonna play. I'm gonna open the door. Let me go to my pet's room. My pet. Hi, Mimi. So, guys, this is my pet Mimi. She's a rabbit. She is 1 year month. She's 1 month. Let me go to poop. That was really good. I cannot go back to sleep. Let me try one. If I can still sleep. I cannot go to sleep. I can't go back. No, I cannot keep it. Let me go sleep. It's really so much. I'm gonna go to sleep. I will just look for a while. I wish I have a friend with me, but I don't have one. I just live lonely. Hi, Bunny. What's your name? Okay. You want to play? You will be my new playmate. Yeah, we'll have fun. That make me sleep. No, I cannot not sleep. Wait, what's that? It's still on Earth. It's still midnight. Is that a tornado? OMG, it's a tornado. I need to go to my basement. Mimi, let's go. We have a tornado. Mimi. Mimi, let's go. Stop being over. Let me close the door. You'll go down. Mimi, stay here. They have a tornado, okay, Mimi? Stay there. Stay there, Mimi. I'm really scared. Let me go if I can. Mimi, it's a tornado actually. So I need to take a break and a rest. Wait for a tornado. It's really boring here. What's that? I have the chip over there. Oh, I didn't want that thing. I need to get it. It's still tornado. I don't have a phone, so what will I do? Let me go snack. What is tornado? Wait, let me look if it's smoke. Oh, no, the tornado is not gone. Let me bring Mimi. Mimi, the tornado is now gone, buddy. Mimi, stay there, okay? The tornado's now lost. Lost, tornado lost. Yes, Mimi's scared. Oh, I did. Let me take some. Ouch! Bye guys, subscribe and thanks for watching. Bye!